In this video, I'm going to explain what a tapered roller bearing is and how it works. A special bearing that allows the combined stresses of a wheel with high loads to be absorbed without it wobbling. For heavy vehicles, bearings present problems due to how they can absorb loads. Roller bearings distribute the load better than ball bearings, because obviously a ball only has one point of contact at the top and another at the bottom. On the other hand, the roller distributes the load better because it has an entire line of surface at the top and another line of surface at the bottom. In another video, I gave you the example of the Egyptians, who may have been the first in history to use a bearing. They would place one log in front of another, and with that, they could push incredibly heavy stones with relative ease. Now, imagine the Egyptian stone using that same system trying to turn. It would be a problem to turn because a lateral load appears, and rollers aren't good for moving sideways. Of course, apparently, it never occurred to any Egyptian that to be able to turn, they could have made a roller in a conical shape. Well, but going back from the Egyptians to the present day, we have a similar problem with trucks and heavy vehicles, because the wheels don't just have to absorb load in the direction the wheel moves forward. When turning, they also have to absorb load in the lateral direction. And these forces are putting stress on the bearings, and if they were simply the ball or cylinder type, they wouldn't be able to handle them. So how do we solve this? Well, with tapered bearings. The tapered shape allows the force to be distributed evenly along the entire contact surface of the rollers, preventing it from being concentrated at a single point. That is, if the wheel is turning, the bearing is also able to absorb load in the lateral direction. And, well, if we're talking about heavy vehicles, just imagine the loads they can handle. It absolutely has to be this: a tapered bearing, specifically developed and designed mainly for axles that in some way have to absorb forces other than just the normal ones. If we define it in purely technical terms, the tapered bearing supports both a radial load and an axial load. And as we always recommend here at Autotechnica, if you ever need to replace a component or part, you should always use replacement parts that absolutely match the high quality of the original piece.